I don't know that they get it wrong. I just don't know that they get it. I think that's the biggest problem. And again, it goes back to it's a mindset that somebody else is supposed to take care of us financially. Now, I think that's changing a lot today when you look at the statistics, the divorce statistics. In the U.S. right now, and these are U.S. statistics, but the trend is very similar for most other countries. You know, the divorce rate in the U.S. is 50% of married couples end in divorce. Usually it's the woman that ends up with children, so she's now responsible for herself and her kids. The average baby boomer woman has less than $6,000 for retirement. That's it. And the startling one is that of the elderly living in poverty, 3 out of 4 are women, yet 80% of those women were not poor when their husbands were alive. So he passes away, she has no clue, and then the financial crisis emerges. So I think the number one thing is that women have got to wake up. They've got to understand that their financial life is up to them. You know, who knows what the future would be. And the most important thing is just start preparing today. Start preparing as if, you know, what happens if your spouse passes away? What happens if you lose your job? Can you survive? So what I always do is I prepare for the worst, and usually the worst never happens, but at least I'm prepared, and because of that, I'm better off. So you really got to wake up, look at what's happening. Don't put your financial future into somebody else's hands. Put it into your own hands. Get educated. Every woman can do this. You know, it takes some time, it takes some effort, but every woman can do this.